Now, the innovation industry has rapidly grown over the years, with most of the innovations being fueled by young minds. On this week's Young and Industrious, we look at Samuel Otieno, a 30-year-old student at the Jomo Kenyatta University of Agriculture and Technology, JKUAT, who has designed a special control unit that detects Mpesa transactions at any automated teller machine for dispensing milk, water, cooking oil, and other products. Take a look.
We make our circuit. First of all, we take a pure copper clad that is very plain.
From the mere scratch of a copper clad to chemical etching, ironing, drilling, programming, and finally mounting the control unit to the ATM machines, which automatically detects the amount of oil to discharge depending on the amount paid via Mpesa. Samuel takes us through the whole process.
Our system that works with the Lipa na Mpesa is one that can be installed somewhere and left.
So we didn't make the programming it, then we fix everything onto it before mounting it here.
To reduce costs, Samuel and his team majorly use locally available material and only import the electric components from China and Singapore. Now, due to hard economic times and pricing, they are forced to improvise acetone, which is a key component in the etching process with nail polish remover.
But in our case, acetone is very expensive, so instead of that, there is nail polish remover.
The idea, which was inspired by the Japanese unmanned ATMs and the need to make life more bearable for low-income earners, Samuel embarked on this journey and so far has assembled and sold over 80 ATMs perfectly installed with his control unit technology.
We realized that we need to do something so that we can help the society around, and there's the issue of food shortage. Sometimes food shortage comes because we can't afford it.
The use of locally available material enables him to sell one machine at 10,000 shillings less than he would have sold were he to import every raw material.
We make everything by ourselves. We make everything. Some things sometimes we source in case we have urgency for the demand. Controllers, we cannot outsource them.
No journey is without challenges, and Samuel has had his fair share of the same.
From 2019 to 2022, we only sold 4 machines.
With the high cost of cooking oil ATMs are a saving grace to many Kenyans who can purchase oil from as low as 10 shillings.
Ukija na 50 unaenda kupika chakula. Ukikuja na 30 wanakuwekea. Hiyo ndio inatufurahisha.
Our ATMs comes with a cold press system that you just feed the raw material, let's say groundnut or sunflower. Then, once you fed the raw material, you can just dispense the oil from the machine.
With a little push and support, there is much potential in the Kenyan youths. From the mere scratch of a copper clad to these ATMs, Samuel describes it as an intensive process, but the end result is quite profitable. Reporting for Channel 1 News, I'm Wangari Washuri.